All right, today let's look at doji candlestick pattern. Okay, so what is doji candlestick? Doji candlesticks are candlesticks with no real bodies, like they are just zero. They have zero real bodies, and this is the structure here. This is the structure. So it can be whether it's at the top or the bottom. This is how it is. Very easy. Okay, so this is actually called traditional doji candlesticks. That is what I'm teaching today. Traditional candle doji candlesticks. Okay, so the traditional doji is both a bullish and a bearish reversal pattern. That means it can be found both at the top and at the bottom. Second, a traditional doji is also called an indecision candle. All right, this traditional doji has no real body and it opens and closes at the same point. It only has the upper shadow and lower shadow. So these are the shadows. Same with this. Okay, now the distance between the high to the center, which is this high and this also, so this center, the distance between them is always equal. If you watch very well, it is equal, and it is also called indecision candle, as I earlier said. So whether it's being found at the top or at the bottom, anywhere, and the colors are the same. Okay, so indecision candle means buyers and seller, no one won. They were buying and they got to a point, they stopped, and also they were selling and they got to the middle, the time closes. Since it's 4 hours, let's say you are trading 4 hours and you go to that 4 hours time frame and it closes, so nobody won in the market. So let me show you another structure. Hold on. Okay, now we have a bearish move. Sorry. Buyers, you are selling. They were selling and they got to the bottom and something happened. Remember, it has no make sure it's equal. Okay, it has to be equal. It got here and it appeared. Okay, you found something like this and it has what? No real body. So this is how the structure looks like. Let me show you the same thing with buyers. Okay, buyers, we are buying and they got to the top and what is this now? Buyers, we are buying. Buyers, we are buying. Buyers, we are buying. Let's say this is the top. Okay, and wait till they got there, candle appeared. So this is how it looks like. So now let's go to the real charts. So I'm going to show you how it is. So let's look for the traditional doji. Let's look for a traditional doji. So this is it. So we are looking for what? A traditional doji, don't forget. So this candles over here, as you can see, this candle cannot be called a traditional doji candle because it's not at the middle. Let me zoom it so you see it. See it here. This one here. All this candle you see here. This one too here. This one here, it is not a traditional doji, so it cannot be called. I'm going to take it tomorrow. I'm going to teach it and tell you what it is called. Okay, for now, let us look for a traditional doji. Stay with me. All right, I just spotted one here. Okay, this is a traditional doji over here. This one, I'm going to zoom it for you to be able to see it clearly. Okay, so this is, as you can see, it's equal. Okay, it's equal. So what do you do once you spot something like this? This one can, you can easily get 1:5 with this doji. Okay, so let me get my two. Get my long tool, and I'll place it. Adjust my stop loss, and then I drag it. Okay, almost 5.22, 1:5. You see, and it cut our TP there. So let's get another one. This is also a traditional doji here. I saw another one now. And you adjust your stop loss. 1:3. Wow, there's another one here. I see another one here. It's a short. Came down here and another one appeared and it got up. So let's see what this one has. So this is just an example. Okay, you can practice it to get perfect. So if you know you're a beginner and you can just use this to enter the market and just go through it. So okay, this is not up to 3. Okay, let's go. Let me see if I'm going to see another one. Let's look for the last one. Let's search for another one. Traditional doji. Okay, there are so many of them here, but it's not it. This one here, there's one here. This is not it. This is actually not it. I'm just pointing out it out so I won't make the mistake. Okay, I've seen another one. Let's get our short position and place it here. Look at it. Look at our traditional doji over here. Hope you are seeing it. So place it here on the next candle and you do what? You drag it down. Okay, always remember to adjust your stop loss. Okay, all right, Thank you and see you in my next class. Bye bye.